Hi there, it's Miss Hibbert with you today. I'm just going to talk through how best to support your child with their maths GCSE revision. The best way that you can possibly make progress in maths is to do more maths. So it's actually just really important that they are practicing doing extra questions at home as much as possible. So the main thing is that they're making sure they're completing their homework every single week. Most pupils will be getting Hegarty homework and some paper homework. It does differ between groups, but everybody will have homework every Thursday. The best way they can start to prepare for the mock exams and the future exams is by doing more exam style questions. The best place to find those style questions is at the website listed on the screen in front of you. There they can get particular topic based questions with work solutions to help them and attached videos. And they can also look at previous past papers so they can see how a full paper would look. We'll be doing those over the course of the year within the department, but like I say, the more they can practice that themselves, the better. As part of the exam, pupils need to know their key formula and key facts off by heart. Every Friday at school, we complete a key formula check to try and get them embedded into their memory as much as possible. But the best thing they can do is also take that sheet away and try and revise from it. So if you could possibly help test them or get them to self-test, that would be a great way of trying to embed that learning into their memory. Another key idea is to try and start revision early, rather than trying to cram it kind of last minute before the exams. So planning out your revision months in advance rather than days in advance. It's really crucial with maths as it's a topic which builds on previous knowledge, that they're doing that throughout the year. So in lessons at the start of every lesson we do a retrieval practice, which means we're practicing topics from the past as part of their revision each lesson. But the more they can do at home for themselves, the better. There are revision cards available online, such as the CGP ones you can see on the left. On the bottom right is a pack from Corbett Maths, which can be quite good at mixing up the different topics, so they're interleaving between different style questions as well as what they're doing in school at that current moment. It's really important that your child tries to attend school every single day, as 100% attendance ensures that they have seen all of the content for the exam. If they do miss lesson times, it's vital that they also look on Teams to try and catch up with the work that they have missed, because it's unlikely that they'll cover all the content again in revision time, so it's really vital that they're in school as much as possible. There are loads of statistics to show that attendance is one of the biggest indicators for good performance, and so we really want to push for everybody to come to school as much as physically possible. For maths, there are actually loads of great websites that can help your child at home as well. There's a website called MathsBot. That is a website that finds old exam questions and then reproduces them in different versions again and again, so that you can practice one and then keep trying it with different numbers until you're happy that you can complete that type of question. MathGenie, as I mentioned before, is really good for exam questions, both in topic groups if you wanted to just focus on one particular topic, such as trigonometry, but also it breaks it down by grade. So if you know that you're particularly aiming for grade 4 or aiming for grade 7, then you can look at those particular topics and target those in preparation. There's also a website called Pixie Maths. The creator of this website has made lots of excellent revision materials, again where you can aim for particular grades. So it may be, at this time of the year you look at the grade 5 and 6 topics, but then maybe later on in the year you push and you work through the grade 7 and 8 topics. But she's made a really excellent selection of packs there that can be used at home. If you have any other questions or concerns regarding the Maths GCSE, then please get in contact using the email address below, and I'll get back to you when I can. Thank you very much.